damage do you miss?
This is minor damage.
Hit the little gun.
Wow. If he's using that much time, he can actually
Now they need to deploy the giant.
Bomb him! Cheese, yeah, cheese. No. Uh-oh.
The destroyer.
Bomb him!
Push.
No.
Attack you. Oh man, we got minor damage.
Bomb.
Fire. Oh, that's okay.
Bomb.
There's Eunice.
Bomb him. Hit the Jeep, seriously.
Yeah, but then they have another Jeep. They're just gonna explode as many Jeeps as they lost, but then now we just a waste of bombs. The primary target is the Amazon. Their secondary target is the airbase.
I know, but they're trying to let them surrender first and then do so they don't get attacked